See, whenever we just speak about a project, we have to be aware related to the background of the data. One thing, what the data we are just getting, how the exact data is as much authenticated like that, we have to be very much aware. Okay. When on just making in such of project, actually last year, we just done one small project related to healthcare predictions and all. In that, what it happens, actually at the time it is was in the time of pandemic, and when we just made that exact research, it is all related to health related, as like protein or carbohydrate, how much carbohydrate, how much protein has to be taken in a day. So all this such of discussion and analysis we just done. In one particular visualization, that is a data visualization, what we just identified is when an intake of higher protein, when an intake of protein is increasing, there is a risk rate of kidney. Actually, we doesn't know that is this both are impacting. Okay, so in that manner, what we have done, that is what I just keep on asking about the protein and carbohydrate with it.
With much more factors are,
Yeah, actually what happened is, see, actually, at the time when we are in research, we are not aware. See, actually, we are not a physician to know whether it is protein or carbohydrate or whatever the kidney. Just as a research, we just done it. Okay, in small visualization, we identify. In small visualization, we just identified if the protein is increasing, there is a risk in kidney. So what we just thought something new, no? So as a researcher, we just went to just have a small discussion with an cardio and a general physician also. So there, of course, really we just shocked to know that, if there is an increase of protein, that is, so they specified 150 grams, I think so. Okay, if it is exceeding per day 150 grams, should not be going beyond to that. If it is exceeding, of course, there is a risk towards the kidney. Of course, see, actually, in data analysis and data visualization, how far the small chart also it's very important. Yeah, that is what. So, we have to very much concern on to the data, and mainly to the authenticated data. Of course, as we just had a good authenticated data, we just got the result, and of course, it's also lead to a awareness that this protein should not exceed 150 grams and all.
Of course, also activities are, I mean, it's not problem at all. Person doing any bodybuilding or any sports set of activities, that protein should be dissolved to other components, muscle muscles, Without any physical means, the protein is in the body of our body.
Yes, actually that physical activities and all okay, but we are not aware, no? We are not a physician or